Inflatable flowers are a great way to add a unique and festive touch to any event or special occasion. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, and can easily be inflated with a small electric pump. Inflatable flowers make great decorations for parties and events, since they can be configured in any way, and can easily be moved around. Plus, since they are inflatable, they are usually lightweight and easy to store and transport. The great thing about using them is that they can be easily blown up and taken down within minutes. These inflatable flowers make a perfect Valentine's Day decoration. They're perfect to set the mood of love and romance, or to just have a great time. Today is the opening of the Wonder Flower Garden, an inflatable art display designed by Molly Chen and Mark Magnaye, created by Inflatable Factory. The night is filled with bursting colors, and also we are being entertained by the Sunset Sessions band and some cosplayers. It is a great way to have a unique and fun night out. You'll get to see creative costumes and performances, as well as a chance to meet new people in the same community. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit SM City TUGUEGARAO Valley Park together with your family and friends and create an unforgettable memories.